Hey everybody, it's Dave from Clean Pro Supply. Just a quick tip here, right in front of a truck mount, and you can see right behind me there's a first aid kit. So the tip here is, number one, obviously have a first aid kit on every vehicle when you're out in the field. Band-aids, bandages, first aid cream, wrap, clips, whatever. This is a fairly large first aid kit. It's just mounted to the back of the divider behind the passenger seat in the cleaning van. But the second part would be to print a accident report form and put it inside your first aid kit for easy access, because that way if someone does get hurt, which is more than just a scratch or a scrape, and you have to file a workers' comp claim, having this form handy for your employees, especially if you're not in the field with them, would be very handy. The one that I just put in there has 3 pages of how to fill out a form, how to investigate an incident, and then the 3 pages behind that show it's the actual report form. So what happened, who was involved, what witnesses, employee information, date, time, all that. So get a first aid kit, put it in your van, get a workers' comp report, accident report, put it in with a first aid kit for easy access. That way if something does happen, everything's right there, and you can get the proper information documented right away, take some pictures, and that'll help you with your claim. If you have any questions, give me a shout. Again, Dave from Clean Pro Supply. Have a good day.